Hello, my name is Dustin Christensen. This is my presentation on gift to students for educational finance. First, student gifts. These are gifts or prizes that can be used from school activity funds. In the book, there was two main topics for gifts: incentives for gifts, and this is gifts purchased by the same organization, such as like NHS, uh, the athletic club, um, football, basketball. And then there's special achievement funds such as banquets and ceremonies. These are like academic and athletic ceremonies, and they're paid through the general funds, certain athletic fund and donations. Some examples would be like medals, certificates, food. Something I do as a football coach, I try and get my seniors like a little gift at the end of the year, such as a jacket with Edgemont football, and that can be paid through uh, my football account. Fundraising gifts, need to be through that fundraiser. I use a journal fundraising and they use incentives. So the members who are doing the gifts or doing the fundraiser can earn those incentives. The gift can be no larger than 5% of the profit. Excuse me. Gift to staff members needs to be by committee. In my former school, they had a sunshine committee where we got flowers or thank you cards or get well cards. Here at Edgemont, we have a wellness committee. That just for example, we had a parent teachers conference this last week, and the committee got us pizza, so that was nice. Uh, in the book, it says to meet once a year for guidelines and contribution list, and usually schools have a remembrance fund to help pay for this. Special occasion gifts, same thing, needs to be community led. Funds could be from annual dues or donations, and remembrance money can be used for that. So I mentioned the Sunshine Fund in my old school. Uh, we, as teachers, we would put in like $20 at the beginning of the year, just to help keep money in that fund for teachers. That's all I have. Thank you for listening.